Hey everyone, welcome back to Melbeezy Eats. My name is Melissa in case you are new, and today I have a bunch of different things. So I have some Indomie noodles, and then I have some egg rolls. These are the frozen ones, the PF Chang egg rolls. And then I have some barbecue wings. And then I have sweet and sour sauce, and then I also have ranch and blue cheese. And then to drink I have a sparkling water. This one is lime flavor. So it is Saturday. Happy Saturday, everyone. I'm here with Vanessa. AJ is already at school. He has dance practice today. And then Vanessa has a competition later on. So she's eating her lunch. She's eating the same thing as me. So she's eating lunch right now, and then I'm gonna take her to school at 12. It's 11 right now. So good. Oh, these are spicy a little bit, huh? I told Vanessa they weren't spicy, but they are. Just a little bit. Okay, here's the egg roll. Yeah, they're good. I cooked them in the air fryer. I used a little frozen food setting. I think it cooked at 350 for 10 minutes. Because we actually, I just wanted to eat the noodles, and then I started craving egg rolls, so I said, oh, let's go to Safeway and see if they have egg rolls, but it was too early. They barely just started cooking the Chinese food. Okay, let's try these barbecue. Let's try these barbecue wings. I think this is blue cheese. Oh, these wings are from Safeway. I don't know if I mentioned that. Okay, so you guys know I'm going on vacation next week. So my videos, I think they're probably gonna come out a little bit late because I'm trying to pre-film a bunch of videos so I can have videos while I'm gone. The noodles are so good, huh, Ness? Yeah. We also went to Costco today. I'm always at Costco, you guys. We went to Costco today and they had plants. If you guys don't know, I've been looking for these small plants, house plants at Costco for like the past 2 weeks. I feel like, maybe like the past week, but they haven't had them. And then we went there today and they had plants, but they were not the ones that I was looking for. The plants they had were like bigger. Oh, I think that one is ranch. Oh, this one's blue cheese. Because I was like, why does it taste like ranch? So I'm hoping our Costco will get those plants soon. The weather here is so ugly. It's like foggy and looks like it's gonna rain. I think it's supposed to rain this weekend actually. These noodles are so good. I like these thin noodles. So after I eat, I guess it'll be time for Vanessa to go to school pretty soon, and then I want to work on the garage. I want to make a pile for garbage, donation, and then once I have like all the things I want to throw away, I'm gonna call the garbage company and have them pick it up. I mean, there's not like a lot, but there is stuff that I can get rid of. I'm getting full, you guys. Ooh, I almost put this in the sweet and sour sauce. Vanessa, you want a barbecue wing? Or another egg roll? You still have some?
Spicy.
Which one? The noodles?
Yeah.
You said the noodles are spicy. Too spicy for you?
No, I ate them all.
Or you want more?
No.
See if I can. I have to angle myself so weirdly. So weird. Off to the side. The noodles are really good. I'm just use my hands. All right, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so full. We're watching Worst Cooks in America again. This is an old one, right?
Yeah, this is my favorite season.
If you guys watch this show, do you guys remember the season with the flight attendant, the black guy? He's so funny. Is he the winner?
The tattoo artist.
Oh, oh yeah, at the end it was him and the tattoo artist with the long nails. Remember her? She broke a few nails. I like the flight attendant. He was my favorite. I am full. Very full. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.